Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the big Buttercup in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Buttercup update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how the big Buttercup looks like. Okay, this one I've already planted some big Buttercups in my garden, and let me harvest one of them, and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, basically it's like the normal buttercup, but it's bigger, and we can only harvest the buttercup once. I thought that this buttercup can be harvested multiple times, but apparently we can only harvest it once. Okay, and it's not that different with the normal buttercup, guys, but this is bigger, and then I'm going to try to sell it. Wait, let me check the value first. Oh, yeah, it's not that OP. And you can get this big buttercup from the buttercup chest. You will have 42.5% chance to get the big buttercup. Okay. And okay guys, that's all about the big Buttercup in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Buttercup Quest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!